Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to unpair earphones in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you unpair your earphones in Redmi 10 phone? Today I am going to tell you about this setting. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so first of all, guys, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now time to start video. First of all, guys, what will you have to do? Open your setting app. After, guys, come on Bluetooth, and guys, you want to unpair your earphones from your phone. So guys, you can unpair. So guys, first of all, you can see this arrow option. So I click here. First, guys, you can see unpair option. So guys, you want to unpair. So guys, click here. So guys, your earphone will be unpair from your phone, guys. So I hope, guys, you have understood how to unpair earphones in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.